With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start this question. This question says that there are 50 machines in a factory, each producing 1000 bolts daily. For each additional machine installed, the output per machine drops by 10 bolts. How many additional machines should be installed to maximize the total output per day? First option is 20, second option is 30, third option is 50, fourth option is 25. Now we need to find the appropriate answer. So let X many machines be installed in extra. Then what happens is that the output per machine, then output per machine, because for every additional machine the output decreases by 10. So in this case it becomes 1000 minus 10x. Now the total output is the product of total number of machines, that is 50, because initially it was 50 machines, so an x have been installed extra, so 50 plus x times the output per individual machine, that is 1000 minus 10x. So this is finally 10 times 50 plus x times 100 minus x. So this, after just multiplying them together, this becomes 5000 plus 50x minus x square, which is nothing but 10 times. So we just need to add 25 square because we need to complete the square of this, that is 5000 plus 25 square minus 25 square plus 50x minus x square. So this brings us to the total output as 10 times 5625. Then this is just basically x minus 25 whole square and a minus in front, because if we just take the minus out, this becomes 25 square minus 50x plus x square. 50x would be 2 times 25, 2 times 25, and that makes it x minus 25 whole square. So now we need to maximize this as a function. Let's look at it as a function. Now this is just, the 10 is a constant, so we need to maximize this. So here we have a constant and we are subtracting from it a number which is always positive because it is whole square. So always there is something being subtracted. So what can be done, so as to make the subtraction least, what can be done, whatever is being subtracted, it can be made equal to 0. Then the least would be subtracted. So for that to happen, we need to make x minus 25 for maximizing output. X minus 25 is to be 0, that is x should be equal to 25, that is additional number of machines is 25, and that completes the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.